Yeah, today I'll be explaining with us to UseEffect how it's working and React. So in UseEffect, we'll be handling like the side effects and subscriptions API calls. We'll be handle the like as a re-renders on how it will be re-rendering in React. So in UseEffect, we have three concepts. When we are to talking with us to UseEffect group, we have three scenarios is there. One is like as a without dependency array, how it's working and how it's rendering, and also empty dependency array and also dependency array with value. So today we're gonna live code and also I'll be explaining the thing. So here I'll be using one count variable to setting like as a set count. So this will be updated variable. So I'll be using like as a use state for the initial state is a count is 0. I'll be explain why I'll be using like as a count and set count is as of now. So later explaining the thing you will be get it now. So I'll be using like as a, so here we have to explaining the things like as a use effect use effect with dependent dependency array. Okay, so then I'll be explaining with as to first is without dependency array. So how it's will be working, I'll be show it in console. So this is the syntax for the writing for the use effect. So here I'll be consoling like as a runs, it will be runs every render. So it will, sorry, it will runs every render. So I'm saving that, and can you check it in console? We can get it like as an output here. So see in console, see it will be goes like as a infinite running. So it will be running like as a every running. So see runs is every render, it will be running like as a without dependency it will be running. So and one more case is like as a this case one. So this is like as a case one. So and one more thing like as a case two. In case two we'll be passing like as a dependency array, that will be empty dependency array. See this like as a console.log of this will run the when com when component is first mount first time mounted in down. So this is the thing, and I'll be passing like as a empty dependency array. Can you check it here, our output? See when this will be running like as a empty when I'm refreshing. So we will be checking like this one. Why it will be running as a two times? We are running like as our application into strict mode. So that's why it will be checking like this errors if any possible. So that's why it will be running as two times. So now as a case three. So in this case three, we are passing in dependency array some value. So that is the thing I'll be showing here. Use effect. Why I told now why we have to using like the count and set count is before. So we will be get it now here. So this will run the when count is updated. So based upon that our count value. So for that we will be passing like as a count as in dependency array. So for that I will be using one button also when we want to increase the count. So that it may be increase, right? So when we need to increase as a count, we want like as a one function, right? So that function name is handle. Handle count is equal to, this is a arrow function I am using. So this will be updated with as to set count. So will be preview is equal to uh, preview plus one. It will be count it will be take like as a count and count plus one. So current value is how much is there, and with has to plus one, it will be randomly will be increasing. So I'll be showing here. First count is zero. So when I click first time in button, so it will be print zero, and then it will be calculated zero plus one equals to one. Then it will be calculated zero plus one plus two equals to three. Then it will be calculated 3 plus 1 equals to 4. Like that, it will be go as a randomly, and like as a we will be pausing on click event to get function will be called. So that is the thing, it will be calling as a function. So see, we can check it like as our output here. So I'll be when we have to see as a count in our UI, we'll be write it. We can access the count here. So that is a count value equals to the count. See, for the initial case, it will be count is zero. So when I'm clicking the increase, so it will be increasing. See, this will be runs with as to when its component is updated. So when I'm clicking button, so it will be updated the count in my browser and also in console. Can you see? So I'm clicking second time, I'm clicking third time, fourth, fifth, sixth, seven, eight, nine, 10. So like that, it will be increasing like as a our array by using this one, using like as a array. You can pausing like as a value. So that's all about using as use effect. I will be showed here. So thank you.